If you want to take a long screenshot or a scrolling screenshot on OPPO Find X9, then we have a couple of ways that allow you to do so. For example, what you can do is you can use the power button and volume down button at the same time in order to capture the full screenshot. But if you do so, and if you have an app that is scrollable or a website, then we have this scroll button on the left side, and now we have scrolling. We can of course move up and down in order to extend the screenshot quite easily, and then once you are done, we can just tap on and done over here. Besides that, what you can also do is you can go to quick settings or control center, and there is a high chance that you will find the screenshot button in here. But instead of tapping on this button, you can just tap on the text of the button instead of the name. And over here we have the scrolling screenshot option, so we can do that instead as well. And besides that, another way to capture a scrolling screenshot is by using three-finger gesture. More precisely, if you press and hold your finger anywhere on the screen and then swipe all the way down, then you will start taking a scrolling screenshot. It looks like this. Now, in the case of these three-button gesture, three-finger gesture, I mean, we can go to settings, and if we scroll down to accessibility and convenience, and then go to screenshot over here, then you should be able to find the three-finger touch and hold option. So this gesture can be enabled or disabled, so if the three-finger gesture doesn't work for you, just make sure that it is enabled over here. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.